to Yuba Lake, backside of the lake, to get somebody who's stuck in the sand. We're in the 8-1. Got Steph, the camera, and Caleb and Dad and T are in the green Land Cruiser in front of us. So we're almost there, just about a mile and a half, it looks like. Probably not going to be a real exciting one, but we'll film it anyway and hopefully enjoy it. We got them pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the hill. Yep. Get him, Dapper.
Well, should we just go down this road, or should we go find a different way?
I say this time of night we just go straight to them, get them out, and head out.
Oh my goodness, the bunny has a death wish.
Did it move?
No.
Did I just run over it?
No.
I don't know if it ever moved. I never saw it move. Dummy.
Well, we're here, we can see them, but we're gonna have to pick a different route because that is a straight drop off. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's them right over there. So we'll find a spot, looks like right over there, to go down.
Faster than coming in the other way. Yeah, you can see it here. Somebody with a camera
Sitting on the subframe there.
Yeah, she's all the way down to the frame. So
Walk around.
There's not much.
All the way around it.
Not much she could have done. It's just too buried. Nice little spider.
Yeah, it's got like 36 legs.
Where'd you learn how to count?
The shadows are hitting all around it. It looks like it's just solid legs all the way around.
Yeah, you can see it's just solid body all the way down. These tires are really dug in.
Yeah, look.
And it says soft sand right now.
Look at how deep that hole is. Kind of scratched up. Okay.
You can see the sand has really pulled this bumper out already. It's not currently touching any sand, and there's nothing behind it, but it's already pulled out. So it looks like it's been dragging pretty hard in sand. Get that, it's gonna just pull the heart of it.
It's already pulled off. We're gonna see if the wheels will turn. I mean, they're. See if we can get into the control arm. If we can get it over on this side of the strut, that should keep it away from the. I don't know if we can get around there. Maybe. I mean, it's just sand.
Yeah. I'll go grab a soft shackle.
Dig out from underneath it. The control arms are the strongest part of the suspension, so if that's available, that's usually the best place to hook to if there's no recovery points. And Caleb's grabbing a soft shackle so I can hook it up.
Pull around and Ben can turn around. We'll just use the 8-1. I'll just follow. Just in case there's any haters that think I just ran over bushes, these aren't bushes. These are lake bed weeds. And I didn't kill anything.
Oh my goodness, the bunny has a death wish.
These are unkillable.
Seat back for it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go.
Can you reach it?
You want TNI to take banner and call you out?
Yeah.
We're already pretty much at the end, so I'm just gonna kind of roll into it from here, okay?
We're probably gonna have to hit it.
Probably.
Harder, but we'll try that first.
We'll try it, yeah. We'll just throw it in the back. Okay, I'll just toss this in the back of the truck.
And we'll walk up and get you guys coming up soon, and then I'll hop in with Dad and Keith. Yeah.
All the tires are low, so I'm just gonna drive it out to the booth there where it's got a bunch of light, and then we'll stop and air all our tires up, and then it's just pavement for.
So she let air out. That's smart.
Yeah, yeah. But
Street tires. No.
well, she was sitting on her frame. It was so soft.
Oh, she let them out after she was done.
I don't know. I'm assuming, or maybe she let it out before and.
They're so buried anyway.
Yeah, and then it got buried, so. But either way, it was sitting on the frame, so it wasn't coming out on its own.
All right, so that went pretty easy. The Jeep was sitting right on the subframe. The tires weren't touching the ground at all, but it only took a little bit of pull with the 8-1 to get it to where the tires hit, and it lifted back up. So pulled it forward, and Caleb just drove it out, so not too bad. And she's headed on her way. So she did not want to be on video and anything like that, but that's perfectly fine. When we come out to do a recovery, if the people want to be on video, awesome. If they don't, it's not a problem. We can either fuzz it out or just not use footage where they're in it. It's perfectly okay. We don't, some people just want their privacy, you know, that's okay. We are back on the road. The highway's just up here and we got a couple hours to get home. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.